Hello and welcome to this video series on SMF, otherwise known as Simple Machines Form. In this video, you will be introduced to the entire Simple Machines Form video series. Now, in addition to introducing you to the series, I want you to know that SMF is a robust, highly flexible, otherwise known as customizable, and secure form software. If you already have a different form software running, no problemo. SMF also has converters you can download that will seamlessly convert your existing form posts and everything else into your brand new SMF without losing any posts at all. Pretty cool, huh? So, let me introduce you to the rest of the video series. In video 2, we're going to talk about the simple installation. You see, in video 2, you're going to see just how easy installing your new form can be using this particular method. Don't blink when you're using this method, you'll miss it. Yep, it's that fast and easy. In video 3, where we talk about the manual installation, as the name implies, video 3 is going to take you through the manual steps to install your Simple Machines form. Just as easy as the simple method in video 2, but several more steps. Don't worry, we're going to hold your hand through every single one of those steps until it's installed. In video 4, we're going to be discussing terminology. You see, in this video, you're going to learn some of the basic lingo used in the world of forms, namely Simple Machines forms. Some of these terms are obvious in their meaning, but some people will not know the difference between a child board and a headboard. So this video will ensure we are all on the same page. Who knows, you might even learn a new word. Watch this video to find out. Now, in the next several videos, we're going to be discussing the SMF setup procedures. This one, video 5, we're going to talk about the features and options. You see, in video 5, we will touch on the basic settings of your new SMF features and options section. You're going to learn some of the important tips that will save you headaches in the future. Now, in video 6, in the SMF setup procedures, we're going to be talking about server settings. See, video 6 will be short and sweet because most all of the server settings were created and set up when the installation took place. However, knowing where to go just in case you need to make some adjustments or tweaks here and there, sometime in the future, is knowledge worth having. So no nap time during this video. Now, in video 7, we're going to be talking about themes and layouts. This is another part of the SMF setup procedures. You see, in video 7, you're going to learn how to change the way your form looks by making minor changes to the CSS, or cascading style sheets, all the way to getting free or paid for custom themes and replacing the default theme altogether. Time to let your creative side out to play. In video 8, another one of the SMF setup procedures, we're going to be talking about boards and categories. You see, in the next few videos, you're going to learn how to create your form structure. In this video, video 8, you will learn a great way to create and configure your form boards and categories. In video 9, we're going to be talking about posts and topics. Again, another part of the SMF setup procedures. You see, in video 9, you're going to learn more about the setup of your Simple Machines form. This video will cover posts and topics and the various options for you to consider and configure. In video 10, another part of the SMF setup procedures, we're going to be talking about the calendar. In this video, we will touch on the setup and options available to you in configuring the form calendar. Video 11 is a continuation of the SMF setup procedures. This one, we're going to be talking about the search function. You see, video 11 will cover the different options available as well as the configuration of the form search functions. Now, in video 12, also a part of the SMF setup procedures, we're going to be talking about smileys. You see, video 12 touches on a serious issue that affects most of us. Yes, I'm talking about smileys. In this video, we're going to walk you through the settings of your form smiley, so once again, there will be joy in Mudville. Joy in your forum. In video 13, also one of the SMF setup procedure videos, we're going to be talking about attachments and avatars. You see, in this video, you're going to learn the importance of the allowed extensions and how this can affect the well-being of your entire form. This is going to cover some of the do's, the don'ts, and the why nots, so you definitely want to watch this one. Now, for the next several videos, we're going to be talking about members setups. So in video 14, we're going to start things off with members and member groups. See, in this video, we're going to be covering a whole lot of ground about your members and member groups. There's a boatload of information to cover here, so get comfy and let's get with it. In video 15, we're going to be talking about permissions. Again, this is another one of those members setup procedures. See, in video 15, we're going to cover the different options available in assigning permissions to the various members of your Simple Machines form. This one's pretty cool. I think you'll want to check this one out. And in video 16, another one of the members setup procedures video, we're going to be talking about the ban list. Just as the name implies, video 16 will show you how to keep the riffraff out of your form, or at least ways to help keep them in line by banning them from your form or sections of the form. Hopefully you will never need this info, but it's better to have and not need than to need and not have. In video 17, we're going to be talking about news and newsletters. You see, in video 17, we're going to cover the newsletter function of your SMF, or Simple Machines form. This is a feature that many form owners do not take advantage of, but you're going to learn how to use your form newsletter options so you will be able to put yours to good use. Now in video 18, we're going to be talking about SMF, or Simple Machines form, packages and modifications. This is a pretty cool video. Video 18 will introduce you to the Package Manager. Your SMF Package Manager allows you to add more functionality to your form. This is just one more way that you can separate your form from the herd of other cookie cutter forms out there. This will help you stand above the crowd, not in the crowd. And this will bring us to the end of this first video in the SMF, or Simple Machines form, video series. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.